Havana, Cuba is the birthplace of the mojito, although its exact origin is still up for debate. Some historians argue that African slaves who worked in the Cuban sugar cane fields during the 19th century were instrumental in the cocktail's origin. All five of the ingredients are grown in Cuba: rum, lime juice, mint, sugar, and soda water. Leaves are not just used in the infamous mojito cocktail, but also makes jelly, herbal teas, and ice drinks. It is known that the local South American Indians had remedies for various topical illnesses using mojito mint. Mojito mint leaves are a little bit spicier and a little bit zestier, while having a slightly less overpowering spearmint flavor. It is clearly different from other mints. Its leaves are larger, which makes it great for muddling. This is a great container plant and is suggested for such as it can be invasive and aggressive if left alone. Mint in the garden offers assistance to a number of vegetables: beets, broccoli, cabbages, peppers, eggplant, kale, peas, and tomatoes, amongst others. Mint is packed with numerous health-benefiting vitamins, antioxidants, phytonutrients. It is also an excellent remedy for minor ailments such as headaches, fatigue, stress, and respiratory problems.